So tell me like how you approached mentally and how you approached just like tactically, trying to figure out what your next job would be.
Yeah, just I think it was December 3rd, 2001. If somebody wants to pop up a calendar on what day that was, but I don't recall. But let's say I took the rest of the week and the weekend off to sort of get my head straight, and then just like anybody, you sit down at the computer, you start. I mean, there's substantially more resources now than there were, 20 years ago, fortunately. But you start sending out emails to your network, start reaching out to folks, start hammering the websites and seeing what's available. And for better or worse, when you're 6 months out of school, 12 months out of school, whatever it is, you're cheap and, still pretty flexible and pretty fungible. Right. So you can
move wherever. So did you stay in Houston? Did you?
I did stay. Yeah, I did find something in Houston. So I ended up staying there I took one job, rather quickly, then actually, sort of gave me flashbacks. There were rumors that they were going to get bought out. And so being uncertain what was going to happen there, I started looking around again. So I moved pretty quickly from,
you had to jump out of two places within the first year of graduating.
Yeah. 13, 14 months. Yeah.